Hey, what's up, everybody? So, I'm super excited about today's training. We're going to be talking about how to make $20,000 per month by building true fans. And this is different. We're not building followers because a lot of people have followers, but more importantly, how do we convert those people into buyers? With that being said, I want to bring on Nate Bokkers. What's going on, brother?
How's it going, buddy? Thanks for having me, buds.
Yeah, man, super excited to have you. I love the line in the background, bro. It looks
Yeah, like
amazing.
yours in the background.
Yeah, man. What are we going to be talking about in this training? Like, we named it $20,000 per month by building true fans. But what exactly are you going to be teaching us today?
I'm always one about integrity and heart, right? That's who I am. I'm one integrity. I love people who have heart. So that's why, for me, being honest with your followers and actually caring about seeing people succeed is what's going to build you bigger fans than anything. So, like, today I'm going through my 5-step framework to building your true fans and my 3 ways to funneling real warm traffic to getting those sales. So how to make 20K months by building true fans. What you will learn today from this training is my 5 steps to building true fans, not followers, right? My 3-part strategy to funnel leads into warm traffic, and why being honest and blunt builds long-term connections, right? Income disclaimer, this is not everybody. These results are not typical. This is from work of hard months and experience, but there's my $20,000 month just from last month alone. 5 steps to building your true fans, not followers, okay? Being honest and blunt and upfront at all times is literally gonna take you guys from being, oh, he's just another seller to another affiliate, to actually people that they're gonna trust. Like, know, and trust factor, right? You don't want to be lying to your audience, no matter what, no matter how small, no matter how whatever. If they ask you how much the program is, frickin' tell them. So, number 2, this one's huge, omnipresence. From day one, I've been all over these platforms. I've been on TikTok, Facebook, I was on YouTube, Instagram, I was even on Pinterest. I was all over the frickin' place when I first started, right? Like, you can be on multiple platforms and still have omnipresence. The thing is being interactive with these groups, with people, congratulating people on their wins, whether they're promoting your product or not. Just get your face out there because you're building your brand and your name, right? So omnipresence is probably one of the biggest things for my success. Number 3, support and communication. Answer everyone. This one's huge. People literally, all they want in this industry is support. They want support. They want to be able to know that they can message somebody and say, hey, I need help, and not have to wait a week or 2 weeks or whatever for somebody to help them. That they're actually going to have that back when they get stuck up against the wall, right? Because I was there, man. I wish I had the support that people have nowadays. The support that people have nowadays is unreal because more people are realizing that support and communication is everything in this industry. If you ain't got it, you're going to be left behind, right? If you're in the make money online niche and you want to learn this industry, people are going to buy support over anything else. With your content, don't leave anybody unanswered because those are potential clients that you could help out, that you could actually change their lives. They're literally asking you, hey, I'm interested, tell me more, and then people are literally leaving them hanging. People want to be answered. Now, there's a lot of it, probably 90% of it's going to be a big time waste, but those 10% are going to be your audience, are going to be your clients, are going to be actual people who care what you have to offer. Number 4, have passion. Actually care about seeing others succeed, not just yourself. Have passion for this industry. Care about this industry because this industry can literally change your lives. You have the energy inside of you. You just got to release it. If you can show the passion you have for this industry and the product that you're promoting, I guarantee your business will take off so much faster and people will start resonating with you a lot more because if you have that passion, you're going to sell whatever you're promoting. Number 5 is actually one that I was brought up earlier. Build your targeted content, whether that's Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is. Don't build that content that's outside your niche, trying to sell to anybody and everybody. You want to build that content that literally targets your dream customer. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, why would I buy that product? Now start looking at people who are just like you. Once you stop trying to sell to everybody and start fishing in your own stocked pond, your business is going to skyrocket. Those people in that pond are already warm. They're already interested in what you have to promote. My perfect audience for me is truck drivers, your blue collar dads, and people who are just sick and tired of working your paycheck to paycheck, right? That's the kind of content that I literally build.
That's actually really huge, guys. Like, if you're trying to sell to everyone, you're not going to sell to anyone. You really have to figure out your audience.
Here we go. My 3-part strategy to funneling leads into your warm traffic. Now, before I even start here, you got to find your traffic. You got to find what traffic source is going to work for you. Me, I always have my backup, right? I was all over the place. Facebook is a business utopia right now. All Facebook is pretty much is business, but you got to know how to build that right content, right? So TikTok. I use TikTok to grab attention, right? That's all I use TikTok for. I don't use it actually to sell. I don't use it to actually send people to an actual link. I use TikTok to grab attention, get people interested, get people commenting, and then I can send them into Facebook, right? I can either send them to Facebook or send them to Messenger, right? Where I can either start building that relationship with them, find out what's good for them, and find out what's the best solution for them and not me, right? When I am targeting my audience, I have to make that perfect content that's going to target that higher end paying customers. That's the difference that I've been having lately, is just going from straight high ticket. Don't do the starting off, because you want to learn your industry. You got to learn the basics. You got to learn the process first. Anybody can do this. Anybody can hit these kind of months. Mindset's first, right? But building the right ecosystem, the right foundations is going to be your success later on. Now, I'm just going to jump into this real quick. Why being honest and blunt will build your long-term connections. This goes in with that 3-step framework, right? Being yourself and being transparent will just build that trust. As soon as somebody catches you in a lie, that's going to get spread. People are going to talk. You're just going to ruin your freaking name. Honesty goes a long ways with everyone. I don't care who you are. I'd rather somebody come to me and be completely 100% honest, even if it's going to freaking hurt my feelings, or if I'm not even gonna like the results, but I'd rather the honesty over somebody lying to me or being deceitful, right? They'll respect you more even if it's not what they want to hear, right? And that's just it. Like, some people, I'll just straight up say, hey, the program's fucking $6,000, or even though they didn't want to hear that price range, they're gonna respect you for knowing that, hey, you're not hiding what the program is. You'll get repeat buyers just because you built that connection with them and never lied to them, right? Like, I have some clients who've literally bought in every single program that I've bought in the past year. If you have that connection with people, you'll have fans for your entire business. Bashing other programs only makes you look weak-minded. Stop doing it. I've done it in the past and I realized I was a freaking idiot for doing it. Focus on you and your business. Put your blinders on. Don't worry about what other people are doing. Don't worry how other people are making their money. Build that trust and that like factor and have that actual positivity in your life. People buy from people they trust. I'm not saying I'm 100% okay, because I've done it in the past, okay? I'm guilty of it too, but I came into 2021 with the mindset of positivity, and if you're not positive, and if you're a negative person in my life, get out. This year is about positive people and seeing people freaking win. I want to see people win. I don't care about my wins. I show a lot of my wins. When I got into this industry, I was looking up to people like Jonathan, Megan and Ryan, Becker, right? I was looking up to freaking people who were pushing these big, huge claims and were crushing it online and showing their income shot. Well, that was giving me that potential, like, hey, this is freaking possible. Look at the opportunities in this industry. Fans will create success. If you create for fans, your business is just going to grow. Action takers get results, right? So for me, being honest, being blunt will build those long-term relationships for people. Just do you and get focused, people. Focus on one program that's working for you. Find a program or a product that's going to work for you. I am focused. I know it works, and I just follow the process, follow the success, right?
What do you do for email marketing?
What do I do for email marketing? Pretty much exactly what you taught in the ecosystem. Tons of value, right? Bring more value than trying to sell somebody something, trust me.
There are so many SAHMs like me doing this. What would you suggest to do to stand out from the others?
To stand out from the others is going to probably be your bonus. Honestly, it's going to be a bonus package, or what you can offer on top of the program, right? What you can offer on top of the product that you're giving. That's what people are looking for. They want free shit. People love free shit, right? If you can offer extra support on top of, say, if you're promoting Freedom Breakthrough, right? Somebody buys the full program, offer them 60 days of freaking support where they can message you, or You'll even help build their funnel for them, right?
Stephanie, just from my perspective, is figure out what are your pain points, right? Like, how can you speak to another stay-at-home mom, and how can you kind of bridge the gap, right? Talking to them and figuring out like what they want, right? That's going to be in your hooks, right? When you're making a TikTok, you're going to speak directly to that audience, to stay-at-home moms. Give them some value, right? This is what I do. Call to action, hook, story, offer. How do you handle spam in your comments?
I'm ready to hire a VA just for this. Honestly, I keep up to them. As soon as I start seeing somebody start spamming my stuff, I go in and I delete every single comment and then block that person. If someone don't have any tickets yet, how to make others trust will earn from affiliate marketing. Show how other people are getting wins. Show what the program is about. If you can get somebody onto a Zoom call or something like that, or even go live on TikTok or live on Facebook, show people what is inside, what they're going to learn, right? Don't be secretive of it. That alone takes a big wall off of people. Okay, this is what I'm getting. Awesome. I feel some people are pumped in start, and when they be consistent for 10 to 20 days, then it makes them feel like it does not work. So how do you handle the situation? People get pumped up because people expect quick results in this industry, and that's not what it's about. And I'm very honest and blunt about that, right? Like, I got my first commission in 8 days, but I didn't get my first high ticket sale for almost 2 months. It took time, right? And even then, my business still, I wasn't consistent. I wasn't getting consistent sales, right? That instant gratification is something you gotta knock that out, because you've got to build the foundation. You got to put through the process before you actually start seeing the results, right? Do you drive clients to your Facebook group first, or your Facebook page and then Messenger? So I'll get people like from Facebook. From TikTok, I'll get people into Messenger, and then Messenger to Facebook. A lot of people, I am driving them to my Facebook group, right? They're gonna see my main page just from being on my Facebook group. Complete beginner. First things first is I'd start with freaking 3-day, but if you haven't already, go to YouTube, listen to Rich Dad Poor Dad first. That book will get you in the right mindset for this industry, right? Jump into the 3-day. Take your time. Don't rush the process, right?
Well, hey man, I really enjoyed this training. I know a lot of people stayed till the end, so I really enjoyed this, man. I love seeing other people's perspectives. And me, dude, like, I love seeing others win as well. Like, money doesn't matter anymore. It's just awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for being on this training. And Nate, thank you so much for being on, my man. It's always a pleasure. And
Thank
everyone,
you, man.
you guys have a blessed day.